Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel today. I'm doing this video today as a thank you to all the viewers and my YouTube subscribers who have followed me and supported my channel. And I'd like today to wish you all a very happy Christmas, a nice relaxing day. There's been an incredible 41,600 views on my YouTube channel. More than I ever anticipated. And I'd like to say I wish I had £1 for every view. 41,600 views. We're quite a wealthy chap off that. Anyway, I shall remain poor and destitute, and on this Christmas day I'm going to celebrate by using one of my the first razor I ever bought, straight razor I mean. I was on holiday in Spain, I think it was Torremolinos, and I came across this shop, barber's shop, and they had these razors in the window, and so I didn't know anything about razors in those days, not a thing, but it was just looked really attractive. I don't know how to use it, but I'm sure I'll get to learn how to use it over the years. And so this razor, the gold wash on this side of the blade, there was a gold wash with the Philharmonica logo, and but this is 40 years old now, and every mistake I've made with a straight razor, I've made it with this one. I've only ever refreshed it twice. And once was I had to refresh the blade when somebody who shall remain nameless dropped it in the zinc. And left a big chip in the blade. Well, not a big chip, but definitely a chip. So I had to redo the bevel. And the gold wash has disappeared over the years, as it just wears off with use. When I first started doing these videos about shaving with a straight, I was a bit apprehensive. I thought it's just a waste of time. But at least it shows the potential customers precisely what they're getting. So it'd be useful for that if nothing else. Well, I'll have to get rid of this one first. This that's not the blade. That's a friend, shall we say? So I use these. Great for cuts. Just rub that in, or hold it there for 30 seconds or so. And it stops the bleeding. Ish. So, as I was saying, I thought at least if I do a video of the blades that I'm selling in my Etsy shop, they'll get to see precisely what they're buying. However, as it turns out, I met some really good people on YouTube. So really expert people, and not just about straight razors, other subjects as well that other people are interested in. Photography, for example. And I've actually ended up mentoring quite a few people who are used to shaving with a straight. And through these really interesting people, I've actually learned quite a lot. Over the quite an interesting year. Now, I've made every single mistake with this thing. When I first started, I remember my first shave with this razor. I got the angle completely and utterly, completely wrong. And I started on the chin, which is not a good place to start when you're new to a straight. Start on the fleshy side of your face, in your neck, not your chin. However, I went for the chin. There's no YouTube in them days. And I went in at this sort of an angle, into the chin, and it just went straight into the chin. I had to just hold it like that and then pull it out, and then I put it back in its box for a few months I don't know if you can see here. There it is. There's a line. It's all the way down there with this spike point. So I have to refine the spike point so it's not quite on a spike. Just you put the edge on a bottle like that, and just curve it around a bottle. It'll just take that point off. So it's not as aggressive. Okay. So, "40 years old and still going strong." Just like me. Anyway, a very happy Christmas to all my viewers, all my subscribers. Thanks very much for watching all my YouTube videos in 2018, and I'll catch up with you in the new year. Thanks very much. Bye for now. Bye bye.